Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a professional email with your dotcom domain on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. If you already added your domain, or yes, you connected your domain with one of websites in this list, this is good. You can move to the next step. If you don't see your domain connected here, you need to connect your .com domain first, then start creating your email address. How to add your domain or how to connect your domain? Here it's simple. Click on add website, then select custom PHP HTML website in order to create an empty website. Here, fill in your .com domain name, for example, dotcom.domain.com. Let's say that this is my domain name, type it here, then you will see, do you own this domain? Yes, click on use it, then click on next, and wait a moment. Now that your domain is connected to your account on Hostinger, you will see this red alert. This means that now Hostinger knows about your .com domain, but your .com domain provider does not know that you are trying to connect your domain with Hostinger. So how to do this? It's simple. Just log in to your domain provider account, go to your domain management page and find the name servers or custom name servers, then delete the default one and put those two. This is the first name server, ns1.dns-parking.com and ns2. Let's say your domain is hosted or your domain provider is GoDaddy, for example. Just log into your GoDaddy account, go to the DNS or domain name server or something like that, then put those two name servers inside. If you don't know how to do this for your own domain provider, just look for how to update name servers and then add, for example, GoDaddy, Namecheap, for example, Bluehost, and you will see, and you will find a tutorial how to do it. After updating your name servers, here check this box next to I've changed the name server records and hit finish. Click on close, then go back to the home page, or my bad, not to the home page, but to the website's page, and you will see your domain added here. Once you see this, you can jump to the emails page, then click on claim your free email, this button. Select your .com domain from this list. Let's say this is it and hit confirm. Now select one of these email hosting plan. You can go with the free, the business starter or the business premium. Let's go with the free for this video. As you see, the total is $0. Click on start free trial. Now name your .com email address, for example, let's go with support, and it will be support at your .com domain, for example. Now fill in a password and make sure to remember it. Then click on create. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, Just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Then click on create. Let's close this. New mailbox created successfully. Now you have successfully created a professional email using your .com domain in Hostinger. Now to log in to your new inbox, simply click on browser and you will see this little address, which is mail.hostinger.com. Click on it. You will land on this page. Fill in your newly created email address here and then the password like that and hit login. And just like that, you will see your new email inbox and your domain will be on top of on this corner. To compose a new email, click on compose. To check your inbox, click on mail. To see your contacts added, jump to the contacts page, and from settings, you can edit multiple things, including your display name, your email signature. And if you face any issues like not being able to send or receive emails with your .com Hostinger email address, simply go back to the Hostinger account and go to connect domain. When you arrive to this connect domain page, you will see if there is any issues with receiving emails, protecting your reputation, or email deliverability, or another way, being able to deliver emails. And as you see here, for receiving email, this is the expected records and the current records, and there are no current records have been found. How to add this to the current records? It's simple. Let me show you how to do this on a domain name that I have registered on Hostinger, not on this account, but on this little account. Go to domains. This is my domain. Next to it, click on manage. And here, jump to DNS/name servers. And here, below manage DNS records, start adding the expected records. As you see, the type is MX. Search for the MX type. Then name is at, already written. Copy the first value like that. And for the priority is 5. Put 5 here. And for the TTL is this number already. Now click on add record. I think for this domain I already added those records. As you see, it will be added here. Then repeat the same thing with the second record, which is mx at mx2, mx at mx2, and keep going and keep adding records. After adding, for example, the first records for receiving emails, click on check status. And this is what you should see. Connected, connected, connected. Same thing for the current records, should match the expected records for each tab. And this is how to create a professional email with your .com domain on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.